There is a huge demand from the business segments and tax practitioners for GST amnesty and waiver of GST late fees of 3B return, for which various letters have been written to government, representations have been made, voices have been raised on various platforms, hashtags such as GST amnesty, save small business and waive of GST late fees are trending in volumes these days on social platforms such as Twitter and Facebook. In this video, we will try to understand why so many people are requesting for waiver of GST late fees from the government. We have come up with a list of 10 reasons why GST amnesty is so necessary now. In India, there are about 1.22 crore GST registered taxpayers. And it is estimated that around 18 to 20% have not filed their GSTR 3B returns, amounting to around 22 to 25 lakhs taxpayers, which have not filed their previous returns, many from more than a year and many even from the start. We call them non-filers. Already existing late fees is not helping, but waiver of this GST fees would bring them back to the system, as it would help this huge volume of taxpayers to file their long pending returns. Now, if the non-filers have to file their old outstanding GST returns, they will have to pay for each monthly GST return late fees of Rs 50 per day for period of default. Late fees shall be Rs 20 per day if there is no sale in the month. Most of the non-filers are obviously SMEs, those with nil return or very less tax liability, but today their late fees is running in lakhs. So now, even if they want to file their returns, this huge late fees acts as a deterrent. Waiver of late fees and GST amnesty only seems the way. It is to be remembered that late fees is not a tax. It is in fact a mode to ensure and increase compliance. But here we are talking about the taxpayers who have not filed their returns from over a year. So more than late fees, it is the waiver of late fees that would encourage and increase compliances. In fact, as a result of waiver, when these pending returns would be filed, government revenue would only increase, as it will get the taxes, whatever they are going to file their pending 3B returns with. It will also pave way for future tax collections from these taxpayers. The registered taxpayers who could not file their pending GST returns are now getting notices from the department and are being asked to pay heavy fees. Hustle of notice sending, wastage of time of authorities, and feeling of harassment by the taxpayers can be avoided with waiver of late fees. That's why amnesty schemes are brought forth. And in this corona pandemic, this is the last thing a businessman would want to face. For this late fees waiver, government don't have to finance it or arrange fund for it, as might be in other packages where they need to arrange funds for their welfare schemes and incentives. Because late fees was not a revenue in first place for government. And it's not like that they're going to lose anything, as no government actually plans to have a late fees. So there is less burden on government, but for these small businessmen, it is going to be very impactful. They will get a new lease of life and an opportunity to start with the GST system. Businesses brought to knees by coronavirus pandemic. In this phase of coronavirus and lockdown, we all understand what business and businessmen both are going through. Business has come down to zero, but their expenses have not. They still have to pay salaries, rent, electricity, interest, administrative expenses, software expenses, and also has to run their own households. In this time of no sale and only aggregating losses, asking them to pay late fees out of their savings is not the right thing at this point, as we are not sure how long this crisis gonna last. Business would never be the same again, and for how long, nobody knows. Are loan and credit facility schemes for MSMEs introduced for paying late fees? While announcing recent mega economic package of Rs 20 lakh crores under Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan, government has rightly stressed a lot on MSMEs and stated that MSMEs have been badly hit due to COVID-19 and need additional funding to restart business. Therefore, it announced various loan and credit facilities for MSMEs for them to kickstart their business. But suppose this loan is used for paying late fees, then the government money or taxpayers' money is not getting used for driving business, but getting dumped in form of late fees. Therefore, government should first of all get rid of the existing problems, and waiver of late GST fees is a prudent step in this direction. Other amnesty schemes have also been launched by government in this corona lockdown period, like LLP settlement scheme and company fresh start scheme to waive late filing fees of various forms. The main objectives of this scheme stated in press release of Ministry of Corporate Affairs are to significantly reduce the financial burden, especially for those with long standing defaults, and giving them an opportunity to make a fresh start. The financial burden of late fees of GSTR 3B shall also be waived on similar lines. This will benefit the proprietors, small businessmen, traders in a big way, beside the companies and LLP. These small businessmen shall also be given a chance to make a fresh start. Recently in December 19, late filing fees of GSTR 1 was waived for period from inception, that is July 17 to November 19. This GSTR amnesty scheme was incomplete since there are two periodical returns which a taxpayer needs to file, 3B and 1. GSTR 1 late fees was waived but not of 3B. Since late fees on GSTR 3B was still applicable and could be quite hefty, it could have acted as a deterrent or a barrier for the business from joining the mainstream. Therefore, the full benefits and purpose of GST amnesty can be achieved when waiver from late fees is provided for both these returns, 3B and GSTR 1. If not now, then when? Since there are huge number of non-filers, so government will have to bring this waiver some or the other time to ensure and give impetus to the compliances, as has been the case where GSTR 1 late fee waiver was brought earlier in non-corona time. But according to us, if not now, then when? Coronavirus has already dried up the liquidity and business from the hands of the businessmen, and government also wants to bring liquidity in the hands of businessmen. So in this time of crisis, what better can be than providing them relief from the late fees and release them of the financial burden? So these are the reasons why GST amnesty and waiver of GST late fees, especially 3B from July 17 to Feb 20 is so necessary. All stakeholders and tax practitioners are requested to raise the issue of GST amnesty at all suitable forums. We'll keep bringing you latest updates and opinions regarding tax and business. Thank you.